Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Justin W. Justin, this is the Zephyr console that you send in for old school JTAG service. I'm always suspicious when somebody reserves a JTAG mod on the site because consoles that are capable of being JTAG'd on an old enough dashboard are so rare. But this one was in fact on a really old pre-7371 dashboard. So it's had the old school JTAG, two 1N4148 diodes and a couple of bits of wire and the NAND read and written, and we were able to go ahead and get that modified. We did the white LEDs as you requested. We've got nothing pre-installed on the console because there was no storage sent along with it. So as you see here, it's just going to boot up to a stock dash. What I'm going to do is plug this USB in real quick, because on that USB I actually have a copy of XEX menu. So just by way of proof here, you can see the XEX menu off of the USB, and we can launch that, and we're able to successfully get into XEX menu, hit the right bumper. You can see all the rest of the files on the USB drive. Go ahead and just update dash launch. But yeah, everything's set. The thing's purring along. I would caution you that you may want to crank up the fan speed on this guy a little bit. Zephyrs are fairly RROD prone, red ring prone, so definitely consider using like freestyle dashboard settings or whatever to crank up the fan speeds. But otherwise, hope you enjoy, and have a good one.